How to export or save video in Filmora. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can save or export video in Filmora. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, if you have or if you're already done editing your video, now you want to export it, head towards the top right corner. There you will see this export button, click on it. Now, once you click on export button, you will see this pop-up box in your interface. So first of all, you can rename your video. After that, save the location where you want to save your video. For now, I will just save in my desktop. So click on the file option, then click on desktop, then click on select folder. After that, under preset, click on this drop down, and here you can simply go with default or the custom. For now, I will just go custom. If you want to change some settings, click on settings, and here now you can change the resolution, frame rate, and if you want to change the quality as well, you can do that as well. But for now, we will just hit with the recommended. So if you want to change anyone or any settings from here, you can do that, and once you're done changing the settings, click on apply. So once you have changed your settings, scroll down and look for all of the options given. So according to your preferences, you can choose from there. After that, click on export. And if you want to get additional features such as no watermark, high quality resource, speech to text, text to speech, and many more, you can buy their Filmora subscriptions as well. But if you don't have the subscriptions, your video will be exported with a watermark. If you don't want the watermark, you have to buy their subscription. So for now, we will just continue with export with watermark. And now you have to wait for a few seconds. Once the video is converted successfully, your video will be saved in your preferred location. Now you can close this Filmora. And if you head towards your desktop, there you can see your exported video right here. And that's how you can export or save video from Filmora. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.